Hello, hi. Myself, Karim Haider Rajad. I am telling you a story. The Will Woman. Once upon a time, there were two women who lived in a village far from the city and unscheduled place with few families. They agreed to go out into the woods early in the morning to fetch firewood, not realizing that no one was listening to them. She is the savage woman who feeds on the human flesh the next day while one of the women was falling asleep. She heard a knock on the door. She woke her from her sleep and she was terrified. After that, she picked up her flashlight and went straight to the door. She was surprised by a strange woman she had not seen before, and she said to her, "Who are you?" The savage woman replied, "I am your friend." The woman was very surprised because she and her friends agreed to go together. The savage woman said to her, "Come, hurry up so we can catch up with her." Then she took and they went together into the woods. On the way, she noticed that something strange was happening to the savage woman. As if a spark of flame was rising from under her legs, the woman suspected what she had seen. So she took the scarf she was wearing and hid that place in order to she deluded her into fulfilling her need. But she ran away and returned from returned to the home, and after learning about the evil woman, she decided to catch up with her. Fortunately, the woman arrived at her house and I made you a feast for me. The woman said God preserved her. Since then, she has not been able to go to the forest, and her story has become a tale passed down from generation to generation. There are many stories this इस तरह से बनाई गई हर कहानी को हम ऐसी तश्कील दे सकते हैं जैसे ये दरख़त, ये जैसे ये नज़ारे, जैसा ये कहना, जैसे ये सपने। क्या समंदर भी गुनगुनाते होंगे, क्या कहानियाँ भी अपने आप को दोहराती होंगी। पता नहीं यहाँ पर कितने लोग अपनी बस्तियाँ बसा के बैठे होंगे। कहाँ चले गए वो नज़ारे, कहाँ चले गए वो लोग। क्या आज यहाँ पर तन्हाइयों ने मुंह मोड़ दिया है। यहाँ पर आने वाली हर मौसम अपने आप में एक बदलाव लाती है। क्या कहानियाँ भी यहाँ पर कुछ यूँ नहीं रहते। वो यादें, वो तमन्नाएं जब इंसान को खोखला बना देती हैं अंदर से, तब आवाज़ निकलती है एक, मैं तन्हाइयों से नहीं घबराता, रूठे हुए पलों से मैं नहीं घबराता। अपने आप को दिए गए जख्म जो इस दिल में सदियों से मौजूद हैं, वो इन नज़ारों को देखकर एक पलक में झुरझुराता हूँ। मुझे याद आते हैं वो दिन जो गुजारे थे मैंने तुम्हारे साथ। क्या खूब थे वो नज़ारे, जब माना था खुदा मैंने तुम्हें, तब लोगों ने शिकायत की मुझसे, ए इंसान, तुमने एक इंसान को खुदा माना। मुझे तब बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैंने उनको जवाब दिया, मैंने खुदा ڈھونڈ لیا ایک بندے میں، تبھی آواز آئی کہیں سے، یہ عشق کر بیٹھا ہے پاگل، تبھی خدا سے مشابہت دیتا ہے ایک انسان کو۔ کیا کہانی تھی، کیا الفاظ تھے جو